Using Paysafecard on PS4 is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, turn on your PS4 and log into your PlayStation Network account. After that, access the PlayStation Store from the main menu. If you're not already signed in, log into your PSN account. Browse through the available content and select the items, such as games, DLC, etc. you want to purchase. After selecting your desired items, proceed to the checkout by selecting the shopping cart icon or the proceed to checkout option. At the payment screen, choose the option to add funds to your PlayStation wallet. Then, select Paysafecard as your payment method from the available options. Next, enter the 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafecard when prompted. After that, review your purchase and confirm the transaction to complete the payment. After the purchase is completed successfully, you can download the content to your PS4 console and start enjoying it. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using Paysafecard on PS4, you can contact PlayStation support for assistance.